I was training with a guy the other day. So it was him and me, basically, one-on-one. And we were rolling hard. And then when he would make some kind of major mistake, I would show him the mistake. We would stop the training and we'd go over. So what happened? How did I get your back? I encourage him to sort of analyze the mistake. And if he couldn't figure it out, then I would give him the answer. And toward the end of the session, he goes, "Is there anything I'm doing right?" And I'm like, "No, you're doing a lot of things right. Your passing is strong. Your movement is good. But you really get better when you remove your largest mistakes from your game." That's, and it could be something like, don't let the guy get the underhook in that situation. And if that's and then, so that's something very easy to learn. It's like, I'm just never letting that guy have that underhook. And then when you do that, so you can implement it, you can quote unquote master it almost immediately. And then you're better already. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I didn't know if I discouraged him by I thought I was doing a great job. I think I did a great job of teaching him, but he kind of had that, he looked a little put off and he was like, "Am I doing anything right?" And I'm like, "No, you're doing a lot of good stuff, but it's more important about, sort of plugging the holes in the boat here. If we plug all these holes, you're going to be in a much better situation,
Right. And tangentially